Hey, good morning, guys. Yang Reader here, back for another raw unboxing video. This time we'll be unboxing the latest Lenovo T14 Gen 3. Go, and running on AMD processor. And yeah, what to expect once you unbox. So let's go ahead and start it. I'm filming this with my iPhone, so I'm just using one hand. So what are the things I expect inside? Of course, the power adapter. I'm guessing this is a Thunderbolt 65 watts power adapter, Type C. Oh, there. Yeah, Thunderbolt, and again 65 watts, and including the 3-pin power cable. Okay, next up, first, sturdy foam to protect the shipping. Probably these are documentations and information regarding device. And there you go. I think it's running on Windows 11. Okay, it's good. Cool. Anything else? Okay, next will be top itself. Our office in the Philippines actually has purchased 20 units of this laptop model, and so far all the reviews and feedback from our users are really good. So that's why it's a cheaper but powerful alternative for X1 Carbon. Okay, it's a matte finish, but I feel like a little plasticky comparing to X1, of course. On the side, there's LAN connection, 2 Thunderbolt inputs, HDMI, and USB USB, and 35mm audio jack. On the other side, USB, for the Kensington lock mount. At the bottom, vents. Okay. Thinkpad T14 magnesium. Okay. Try opening. It's hard to open because it's a bit light. So if we try to open it, it really open up the hole. Okay. Okay, there you go. So there is the camera with built-in lock cover. Okay. Grills for the speakers, power button, and chiclet keyboard style. See, it's running on Dolby Atmos, or Dolby Audio, not Atmos. Right, running Ryzen 7. Price itself is very cheap. It only costs around 1,005 Singapore dollars. So there you go. It's actually a replacement for our old Dell Latitude 7390. So instead of getting another Dell, you're going to be getting these T14s moving forward. So there you go. Bye, guys.